Hello and welcome to another English grammar lesson on this channel. Today's topic is lose and loose. Many people get confused about when to use this and this. Although they sound alike, there is difference between them in terms of usage. In today's lesson, we will identify the difference between them and when to use them in sentences to avoid grammar mistakes. Okay? This lose is an action word. In other words, it is a verb. Why this is not a verb, is not an action word. Instead, it is an adjective. So it is a word used to describe. Okay? Now, in terms of usage, lose is used when you are talking about misplacing something. So, when something is misplaced, use lose. Also, when you fail to win, use lose. Fail to win. More so, when you are talking about not having something anymore, use lose. So when you no longer have something, use lose. This lose is used when something is not tight. When you are talking about something not being tight, or when you are referring to something being free. When something is not tight or not free, it means it is not firmly fixed. Use loose. Now let's use them to answer these questions. As we do that, you will understand better. Okay? 1. Be careful not to blank your phone. This sentence is referring to misplacing a phone. You should be careful not to misplace your phone. So the correct lose to use is this. Be careful not to lose your phone. 2. My shoes are too blank for running. This sentence is talking about the shoes not being tight. Okay? That means this lose is the correct word. My shoes are too loose for running. 3. If we don't practice, we may blank the match. So here is about fail to win. So if we are referring to failing to win, then this lose is the correct word. 4. This screw is blank. Please tighten it. With these words, tighten, you should know that we are referring to something not being tight. Okay? Not tight, so you need to tighten it. The correct word is loose. This screw is loose. Please tighten it. 5. I don't want to blank my job. This sentence is talking about someone having a job and is not ready to lose it. So which lose should we consider? No longer having. So he does not want to lose his job, which is this. I don't want to lose my job. 6. Her dress is very blank and comfortable. This sentence talks about the dress being free and comfortable. So for free, use this loose. Now, if you can replace misplace or fail to win in a sentence, then this lose is the correct word. If you can replace not tight or free in a sentence, then this lose is the correct word. Let's try it with this. Her dress is very free and comfortable. Can you see that? So lose is the correct word. 7. Don't blank hope. Things will get better. Here, this sentence talks about someone having hope and losing it. So if you lose it, you will no longer have it. So no longer have. So the correct word is this. no longer have, lose. 8. The dog broke blank from its chain. Here, the dog broke free. So if free can fit into the sentence, then lose is the correct word, the one with OO. 9. He will blank weight if he exercises regularly. Here, we are talking about someone having weight, and if he loses it, he will no longer have it. So, no longer have. That means the correct word to use is this for no longer have. 10. The button is blank and may fall off. Here, we are talking about the button not being tight or not firmly fixed. Not tight, so it will fall off. So for button not being tight, use this loose. 11. Try not to blank your temper. Here, the person has temper and is advised not to lose control of it, because if he loses his temper, he will no longer have control. So remember, whatever you insert here should be an action word, because the person is advised to take an action. So which of the lose is an action word? This. Okay? Try not to lose your temper. 12. These trousers are too blank around the waist. What should be the correct answer here? Replace it with not tight or free, or misplaced, fail to win. Whatever fits in here will give you the idea of the loose to use. So let me know your answer in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe for more.